Namaste. The government of Nepal has today confirmed 2 cases of Omicron variant detected via in-country capacity at National Public Health Laboratory. We commend the government for their speed and transparency for notification and information sharing. We further commend the government that the case investigation and contact tracing have been thoroughly and timely conducted. These are critical activities for early detection and response to the pandemic, which is not yet over. Since its first reporting to WHO from South Africa on 24 November 2021, the presence of the SARS-CoV-2 Omicron variant, designated a variant of concern, has been reported from 38 countries as of 6 December 2021. At the same time, we must not forget that we are already dealing with a highly transmissible, dangerous variant, the Delta variant, which accounts for almost all cases globally. A new variant doesn't mean that things will necessarily be worse, but it does mean that they will be more uncertain. Studies are underway to evaluate the transmissibility, disease severity, and reinfection risk of Omicron. As far as we know, the widely used PCR tests continue to detect infection, including infection with Omicron, as we have seen with other variants as well. WHO is working with technical partners to understand the potential impact of this variant on our existing countermeasures, including vaccines. We will keep you updated as we learn more. Throughout the pandemic, WHO has and continues to work with Ministry of Health and Population in implementing and improving capacities for response. This includes strengthening surveillance and testing at points of entry and throughout the country, preparations for infection prevention and control, and overall clinical readiness, timely communication of updated and available information, maintaining essential health services, and fast-tracking the delivery of vaccination. While a lot remains unknown about the new variant, what we do know is that following public health and social measures remains one of the most effective ways to prevent transmission. Wearing well-fitting masks, practicing hand hygiene, physical distancing, improving ventilation of indoor spaces, avoiding crowded spaces, and getting vaccinated are the tools that we have in hand to reduce our risk to exposure. Let's use them and stay safe.